Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video where we are going to talk about JSX. So JSX stands for JavaScript XML. And if I open up the app.js file, it might look to some people like a templating language. However, JSX is not a templating language. However, it does allow you to combine JavaScript and HTML together. And to give you an example, I could declare a variable right here. For example, const name, and we say Mitchell. And I will just remove, I'll remove everything right here. And we'll have a paragraph tag. And right now, if I want to render Mitchell on the page, I'll go back to our page. So of course, right now, when I save it, you should see nothing. But if I put name in here, it will just render the name. Now, let's say I have a user object. So I could say name, Mitchell, and age 23. Now, for example, I could say, hi, my name is user.name. Oops, I have to close it. There we go. Now we get the autofill username. And I am there we go. User.age old. So when I save it, you will see it updates correctly. So there's not a lot more I can tell you about JSX for now. However, if I, for example, try to render another div right here with some text, you will see it gives us an error, and it was a JSX expressions must have one parent element. So what I, for example, could do, I could say make another div, and I wrap both divs in that div. And now if I save it, it should work. But now if I go and open my inspector tools, now we can see that right here we have that div root, another div, and then we have the app component that's being rendered to the screen. Now we can prevent adding an extra div to the DOM by simply removing this div, and these are called fragments, React fragments. And now if I save it, you will see we got rid of that extra div. So that was it for JSX. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.